Hi and welcome. It's Peg, and we are on day 7 of Artist Trading Card a Day. Lots been going on in the world, and you guys know what I'm talking about. Lots been going on in the US of A, and it's been affecting me. It's been affecting a lot of people. So I just want to come in and address some of that. I'm going to cut down my card to get started. ATCs are typically 2.5 by 3.5 inches. This is a background that's done with a Seth Apter stencil from Stencil Girl. It is Sunday. The crosses do have some meaning for me. So, you know, we know about sacrifices that have been made for us, for change, for progress. So this was speaking to me today. So I am coming to you from my heart. You know, the other day, and I don't know why I did this. I think it was just because I was filled with so much grief and very upset about things that were happening, and I apologized for my feelings. I did a video and I was actually apologizing for having feelings. No, people, you do not need to apologize. I do not need to apologize for feeling the way I do. We all have feelings about situations, and this is no exception. This is a time where our feelings need to be heard, that we need to let people know, stand up for what we're feeling and, make a difference in the world. The only way I have found to free myself from the anguish is to do my part, is to, contribute where I can, to, get out and vote, stand up for injustice. That's all I'm asking of people, is to make your voice heard. This is, you're not doing your part if all you're doing is sitting on the sideline and watching it go by. We've seen that happen in the world before. We do not want that again, ever. So we do need to speak our piece and become part of the change. So as I work on the card for today, I'm thinking about all of these things. One of the most touching poems I heard recently was from Sarwa Hussein Mali. And I'm putting that on the back of this card. It says, "I'm not black, but I see you. I'm not black, but I hear you. I'm not black, but I'll stand with you. I'm not black, but I mourn for you. I'm not black, I mourn with you." And it's hashtag Black Voices Heard, hashtag Black Lives Matter. And sometimes things that have special meaning to me, it may not be right out on the surface of a piece, but I can incorporate that into my artwork just by adding it this way. The other thing that I was hearing from Rachel was how she was finding joy in the sharing of her melanated sisters and artwork. And so, yeah, I want to find some of that joy too. So I wasn't sure if I was going to incorporate the word joy on here. I think It might be getting a little too much, but we'll see. And then I've got these pieces that mean a little something to me too. There's a heart, you know, because our hearts are all bleeding right now, and an angel. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. It's saying what I want it to say, and it's getting things out of my heart. Now, this joy is looking a little bit big. I'm wondering if I should do, I've got some letters here. Let me just see what these rub-on letters are like, if I can do. Yeah, these might be a little more appropriate. Oh. But I think it was Diane Reevely. She was doing the Daily Journal, and she had found that poem somewhere, and it touched my heart so. And I thought, I need to put that someplace. I need to remember this while I'm finding joy in creating and helping in the cause. One of the things that you can do, I was looking at what Rachel was saying about what you could do, and I really think that we need to think about how we're. Rachel's saying that you can repost in your feed, share the stories. So I think that that's really good to get unmuted, to share in our art and in our postings. And then what we can do to amplify is follow Melanated Art Sisters pages, listen to her art. Art expresses our stories, engage in her art, leave a comment. What do you like? Support, purchase a piece of art. I did that yesterday. I went to an artist that I don't normally follow and went to her Etsy store and did a purchase from her, and she was actually doing a YouTube, and I was able to contribute to her channel. So, and then promote these people, introduce these people. That's what I'm doing here with Rachel, is introducing her to all of you, and I hope you all get to know Rachel, because she's a wonderful artist, and I think you will enjoy her art. So yeah, I like that. So I'm just going to rub on. I need my tool to do it with, though, don't I? What do I have? Here we go. So I think I'll get it over as close to the edge as I can. These are very old rub-ons. I've had them for years. I don't think you can get these anymore. But you could do it with stamps. You could do it, any number of different ways. The black is going to get lost in here a little bit, so I think I'm going to have to come back with some white pen on top. I think that's why I was thinking white to begin with. So let your voice be heard. Be joyful. Share with one another. Find reasons to rejoice in your daily habits and what we are doing here. supporting, support. How many times can I say that? I don't think I can ever say it often enough. I don't want that pen. I need a white Posca. So I want to add this piece. With my hidden message from Sarwa Hussein Mali. This is getting a little bit thickish. I'm going to have to clean out my nib. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to glue that down. Add my heart. And my angel. These are from Art by Marlene. Oops. Might move that over just a smidge so you can see the joy a little bit more. I can cut that off on the back side. Help if I could put things down straight though. There we go. All right, and I also want to choose some words to go on here. I want to speak to my fellow artist friends, and I want to say to be you bravely. Be who you are. Don't let, I don't typically put controversial things on my channel, on my pages, but at this time, I think we all have to stand up and make a difference. So be you bravely. Thanks for listening, for your kind comments, for if you haven't been a subscriber and you like this content, please consider subscribing. All the things, click the bell for notifications, like, comment, share, make a difference in this world, and make artist trading cards for the month of June on Art Joy is Sharing. I got this right side up or upside down? Right side up. Wouldn't matter. The world's kind of upside down. Wouldn't matter. But I'm going to glue that on and make my artist trading card. Thanks, guys.